Once you have a list of teachers with their conference periods, the courses they will teach, the number of sections they will need, relationships that need to be built between specific courses, and any special request, you're ready to start entering the data into Frontline. You will use the Frontline entry point called Section Fast Form. In Section Fast Form, you will make sure your campus is selected, select the school year, and then select the position number and or teacher. So if it's a vacancy, it'll say vacant, but still have the correct PCN number. Once you've done that, for the teacher, you will enter the course they are teaching using the course ID. We recommend you set up the gradebook category group at this time. This is almost always district default or district policy. The only time it would be something different is for dual credit classes. Then you would come down and enter the number of sections the teacher will have for whichever course you entered here. You will enter the max number of seats, and then do you allow it to go over that max number, yes or no? And then enter the room number of the teacher. The room number is not required, but it is highly recommended if you know it. It can also be added at a later time. All of this information you need is available on section 4, on form 3.3. The course ID is here to put it in there. The number of sections will be listed by the teacher, so you can put that in here. And the max number of seats is listed right there so that you can put that in. This is just showing you how to select the gradebook policy. And another place that's important that you do is this parts allowed should always be yes. So those are two important things to make sure you are looking at when you are completing the section fast form. Then you will scroll down and you will enter part 1 is typically taught in semester 1. Part 2 is typically taught in semester 2. Now, if you're doing one semester courses like government and eco, you're only going to have a part 1, and it may be taught in both semester 1 and semester 2. So you would check both. Then you will come here to day period and select which periods the course can be in. We recommend you select all. And then if it can't be 8th period because this is a coach and they need to be in athletics that period, you would just uncheck that box, and then Frontline will not put it into that section. Once you're done, you click the add button and it will add that down at the bottom. Then you want to go back to the top, and if the teacher teaches an additional course, you would want to repeat everything for that additional course. This is also true if you also want to be sure you do this for their conference period and make sure that their conference period gets built. You will repeat this until all sections have been built. So you basically need to do this for every teacher on your campus.